Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best pinless scroll saw blades that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. Also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the FoxBC 5-inch scroll saw blade pin end replacement. If you're searching for scroll saw blades that combine versatility with affordability, the FoxBC 5-inch scroll saw blade pin end replacement 48-pack is an excellent choice. These blades fit a wide range of scroll saws, including models from WEN, Dremel, and Ryobi. Made from SK5 Japanese carbon steel, they promise durability and strength, perfect for cutting wood, plastic, and soft metals. Users appreciate the sharpness and ease of installation. However, while they're great for hobby projects, frequent breakage under heavy use could be a concern. Still, their cost-effectiveness makes them a popular alternative to pricier name brand options. Moving on at number 4, we have the Flying Dutchman Scroll Reverse 5 Dozen Scroll Saw Blade Variety Pack. The Flying Dutchman Scroll Reverse 5 Dozen Scroll Saw Blade Variety Pack is an excellent choice for woodworkers seeking precision and durability in their projects. With 60 blades, 1 dozen each of sizes number 20, number 1, number 3, number 5, and number 7, you're equipped for various tasks. These 5-inch pinless blades, crafted in Germany from high-quality hardened steel, guarantee sharpness and resist snapping. Their unique reversed teeth minimize splintering, giving you clean cuts with minimal sanding. Ideal for intarsia, they outperform many competitors. Proper care involves oiling to prevent rust. Users appreciate the value and quality, though individual sizes aren't sold separately. At number 3, we have the Flying Dutchman Spiral 5 Dozen Scroll Saw Blade Variety Pack. When you're searching for the ideal pinless scroll saw blades, the Flying Dutchman Spiral 5 Dozen Scroll Saw Blade Variety Pack stands out as a top choice for serious hobbyists and professional woodworkers alike. This pack includes 1 dozen each of sizes number 30, number 20, number 1, number 3, and number 7, offering versatility for any project. Made in Germany from high-quality hardened steel, these 5-inch pinless blades deliver sharper cuts. Their 360 degrees cutting capability allows you to cut in any direction, perfect for intricate designs. Despite some reports of breakage during installation, users appreciate their longevity, smooth cuts, and overall performance. At number 2, we have the WNBLX 241-241 TPI Spiral Pinless 5-inch Scroll Saw Blades. Looking for scroll saw blades that excel in versatility and precision? The WNBLX 241-241 TPI Spiral Pinless 5-inch Scroll Saw Blades might be your answer. This 12-pack offers premium pinless blades with a spiral design, letting you cut in any direction with ease. With 41 teeth per inch, they're perfect for intricate work, minimizing the need to turn your project. They're compatible with most scroll saws, including all WEN models. Users love them for jewelry making and detailed patterns, though some note compatibility issues. Overall, they're praised for their quality, price, and ability to work quickly and efficiently. And finally, at number 1, we have the FoxBC Spiral Scroll Saw Blades. If you're a craftsperson seeking versatility and precision in your scroll saw projects, FoxBC Spiral Scroll Saw Blades, plain end, number 4 fast wood cutting, might just be your ideal match. These blades offer a 5-inch spiral design with 360-degree cutting capability, perfect for intricate curves without rotating your workpiece. Made of high-carbon steel, these blades are hardened and tempered, ensuring longer sharpness and durability. They're compatible with various materials like wood, plastic, and even bone. Users appreciate their efficiency and cost-effectiveness, though some noted an oily smell from packaging. Overall, they deliver consistent, high-quality results, Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.